yet. So it is possible. We're going to talk about travel essentials, but not probably in the way you're thinking. We're talking travel essentials, that things that are essential to our travel. First one.
Yeah, like cost and chasing the deal.
Cost. We use Google Flights to search for inexpensive flights. We fly budget airlines. We are sometimes restricted to a backpack, so that kind of helps determine what we're going to take. We've also discovered points and miles, so sometimes we will use points to fly.
What we found is a credit card is a tool. It's not something that we carry a balance on, but it's a tool to allow us to travel cheaply.
Yep, and we get the points mostly through sign-up bonuses. We had an American Airlines card last year, and the points from that allowed us to go on 2 separate trips